traditional tree in Iceland is the birch, which is low. It's hardly a tree, like bushes. But then people have been planting.
Is that because of the wind or because of the weather or most of the
Weather, erosion, and the land, and these animals. It's not out here, no farmland here. No, it's all over. It's all over. You will see it as soon as, shortly after 1 hour's drive from Blue Lagoon back to the mainland. You will see the farmland. Yes, you have. Farmers. They have made this a big area of this Reykjavik peninsula. They like a public park. They are trying to sort of ban or minimize the grazing. So if you there aren't any farmers left here in this area. Because as soon as you have an opportunity to work, do a regular job, you leave your farm because there's hardly any income being a farmer. This is the first settlement. This is the settlement of Reykjavik, and there is a movement of